This is Ron Atchison from McKee's 37. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing on two of our IK sprayers. We'll be taking a look at the Foam Pro 2 and the Multi Pro 2. Inside the box of the Foam Pro 2 you're going to get the sprayer. It has a nice wide base so it's stable when you set it down. The foaming sprayer is easily identified by the purple tip. That tip can be adjusted to either have a vertical spray pattern or a horizontal spray pattern. You're also going to get an instruction manual. You're going to get a bag with different colored little parts in it and a pack of new filters. The way the parts work, is you're going to get a red and a green handle cap. These snap on the end of the handle here, and what you use those for is if you have more than one IK foamer, you can use these to identify the different chemicals that you have in the sprayer. The sprayer itself comes with a gray orifice in it. You're also going to get an orange one and a green one. What these do is they meter the amount of solution that comes out with the air to adjust the foam, whether it's more of a dry foam or a wet foam, or as in the case with the gray one that's already in there, it's kind of a multi-purpose spray foam. So let's take a look at how we change the orifice and look at the sprayer a little bit more up close. This tip can be adjusted for either a vertical or a horizontal spray pattern. Simply loosen up the collar, turn the tip to your desired spray pattern, and tighten it back up. That's also where you're going to find the filter. Over a period of time, these filters may need to be changed depending on what kind of chemicals and how often you're cleaning it. But to change the filter, simply take the purple tip out. It's down inside. Simply pop it out. Pop one of the new ones in. Put the tip back together, screw it back on, and you're good to go. You're also going to find on the outside of the sprayer this little white pressure relief valve. What that does is when you're pumping up the sprayer, when you get to the maximum amount of pressure inside the sprayer, this will relieve the rest of the pressure so it doesn't harm your seals or anything inside the unit. You can also use this when you're all done with your spraying. Simply grab it, lift it up, and it will relieve all of the pressure inside the bottle. It's very important that you do that. You never want to store this pressurized. All that does is put extra stress and wear on all the seals and gaskets inside. So let's take a look at the inside and I'll show you how to change the different tips to get the different foams. To change the orifice for different types of foam is very simple. Simply take the top off your sprayer, turn it over, pull out the pickup tube, and you'll see that the gray one's already in there. That's pre-installed at the factory. To change it, simply grab a hold of it, pull it out. Here's your other two. The green one is going to be for more of a dry type of a foam, and the orange is going to be for more of a wet foam. So simply take the orifice that you choose, slide it back into the hole, make sure it's fully seated, push the pickup tube back inside, take your other two orifices, store them back in the handle, and you're good to go. That's all there is to changing it. Give you a little bit better close-up picture of the filter. You're going to get this little pad of filters here. There's 10 extra ones, and the filter itself is down inside of here. Simply dig it out, drop a new one in, put your tip back on, screw the collar on, you're good to go. One other feature about this sprayer is the trigger also has a lock. So when it's in the lock position, you can't push the trigger down to accidentally discharge it, end up spraying foam or wheel cleaner or something someplace that you don't want to. Simply slide the lock back over to the other side. Now the trigger works. One thing about the IK Pro Foam 2 sprayer is that it is not made for acids. So any type of wheel cleaner, water spot remover that has acids in it, you do not want to use it in the foamer. The foamer is designed to only be used with products that are originally designed to be a foaming type product. Namely, that would be like your car wash soaps, your non-acidic wheel cleaners, all-purpose cleaners, anything that's typically used to make any kind of a foam, that's what you would use in this. If you're going to use an acid type product, you're going to want to use the Multi Pro 2 sprayer that's designed for acids. So this is designed for degreasers, surfactants, and that type of a product. Hope this helped you out. This is Ron Atchison from McKee's 37.